For this assignment, you're going to think, if you were to create a Stella of your life, what images or shapes would you include to tell the story of your life? In this discussion board, list 5 images that would be carved into your Stella that represent you. Be sure to explain why you include each of the 5 images or shapes. After posting your list of 5 images, respond to at least 2 of your classmates. In your response, compare some of the items on your Stella list to some of the items on your classmates' list. Be sure to create your own Stella list and be creative. Please do not copy items from your classmates. Rubric. Post with list of 5 images or shapes and explanations equals 30 points. Reply 1 with comparison to classmates list equals 10 points. Reply 2 with comparison to classmates list equals 10 points. Please remember, this assignment has a due date of Friday, September 21st at midnight. You will have a couple of extra days to get it done if you need it. Thank you.